You ever hear about rolling calf?
So rolling calf was what, like a dopey cow?
Yeah, like a dopey cow will roll, apparently.
Chain on them something there.
You know what me hate though?
What?
People are telling me say them see them thing here. That me hate.
All right.
like why me can't see it? Welcome to Dale Elliott TV. I am your host, Dale Elliott, and I am here with my co-host, Crooks.
Shizzle.
You know it's the end of the gun. Scooby! Away! You're too bad, man. You're too bad, man. You're too bad, man.
Higher level.
Question thing. Question thing. Higher level. Like a mathematical level. Higher to the pyramid. Higher to the level. Higher. Touch the sky. Touch the sky. Brush the tooth. Brush the tooth. Brush the tooth. Brush the tooth. Your face on a blue. Brush the tooth. Brush the tooth. Yo, people. Big up Elephant, man.
Big up Ellie.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Straight.
Because we've been to do this, you know, consistently.
Fully consistent. You know what I want to ask you?
Wait.
Oh, true.
If you haven't seen any episodes or you new to this episode, go watch the others. We have a lot. This is our, I don't remember what number this is, but this is a lot. Where I say no.
When I want to ask you, what do you think about, you believe in a superstition and them something?
My grandmother believe in a superstition. Me just work with it because I'm afraid. When, you know them way they
like you don't want it happen.
Like you don't want it happen for real, so I believe in it sometime.
Like, what you think? Okay, God, I feel like you's more of a countryman than me. Respectfully. So I feel like you don't know.
Me's a countryman?
Like, compared to me, I'm a very sheltered.
Yeah, you have proper English. From you speak proper English. Do you know that anytime when me edit the stuff them, there has to be no captions on your half of the videos? Me have a problem with captioning my piece. Anytime when there's a video with me and you, me have a caption, like look per mine and say, all right, then me. Yours just clear.
Damn.
Bad mind.
But when them superstitions up there come, like, what if lizard jump on woman them pregnant and to wash your face with rice water and them something there? But if you really know,
you said to wash your face with rice water though.
Yeah.
Honestly, me not believe it, you know. But me not try.
you know test it.
Like,
see.
Like me know, I don't want to be the first person to eat work, man.
True.
Like all of a sudden.
Yeah.
Brother, when me I wash rice, me didn't even touch my face after. Me wash me
just
make sure it's not rice water. It's just water.
But you know what crazy? Rice water good, like it good for wash your hair with. Like it's actually good for your skin and them thing that you know.
Me don't know. Nobody will wash them head with rice water.
It's a comments. Maybe no. It's a thing. It's like a thing people do. You can use it. You can use it to do a bag of things.
Yeah, my granduncle.
Yeah.
Love lime. And him here say, if you squeeze lime in your eye, you know, it can clear it out and
blind. Like clear.
In blind now. Yeah, man. Anyway, they big up Irving. Irving blind now. Not a sight him now have. Yeah, man. Irving have cataract and take up both him and cut lime, squeezing him eye.
Go.
Not a sight.
Jaja.
So you can't go and go superstition.
No, it's like there's so many of them, and I feel like they're all so crazy.
Brother, you know the one where them say, yo, you can't sweep house at night?
What that one was?
Like, them say if you sweep house at night, if you can't sweep house past 6 o'clock or a dopey, or dopey we in there or something like that. Yeah.
No, me never
brother, you want that dopey. You want that dopey me sweep.
So you can only clean a morning?
Me feel like me only sweep house at night.
Wow.
Past 6 o'clock. Because me as a man, once me reach home, me I go sweep me yard. Any little, me I go sweep it.
Damn.
So I be a dopey, I run up and down in my yard.
Jano, whole heap of dopey there all about the place then, man.
Brother, me hear Me hear all kind of things, my youth, with, I'm telling you what them say. You ever hear about rolling calf?
So rolling calf was what, like a dopey cow?
Yeah, like a dopey cow will roll, apparently.
Have chain on them something there?
You know what me hate though?
What?
People are tell me say them see them thing here. That me hate.
All
Like-
right.
Like, why me can't see it?
I always hear a story about who see it, and it's never a thing where them can fully really tell you. Them just know.
They make it mysterious.
It's very
though.
mysterious. It's like, yeah, man, from me see the eye them, you know. I me never even look, but just know say a rolling calf that, you know. Me just
Brother,
keep-
me nah follow a rolling calf. Me nah follow none of them dopey story them, my youth. Because you know what me not believe in,
What?
Obia.
You don't believe in that, Obia?
Me not believe in a Obia.
You don't think voodoo and Obia and them think they're real?
No. Me not believe in a Obia. Like, and me hear about it all the time.
Yeah.
Now, if you're here and you don't know what Obia means, Obia is like witchcraft or juju.
Yeah.
But
Voodoo, them kind of stuff.
I don't believe in it.
So you don't believe the Kanglan,
Yeah.
fling hash and them
Yeah,
something?
yeah. I don't believe that if the client don't pay me, me I go drive, go St. Mary. I don't believe that.
So what about
That is a waste of gas.
So about the car, some people say, no man, it's ancient this is ancient traditions in a way. It can help you to, you can use it for help your sickness, and you can use it for money, and you burn this incense and you will get money to attract money into, you see me?
Brother, me hear all kind of sitting. Me hear them say, oh, yo, man, gathering.
Mm-hmm.
You know much bad man me know what dead with gathering pan the man. But then guard up and them have them and them dog them I watch them, man.
Mm-hmm.
No. You're gonna die.
You could have spent money till you're
As a
full.
matter of fact, them dead. You know what man that say like, oh yo, them a go for carrot
Yeah,
go
man.
and them a go guard it up and them
Guard
a
it
go
up
put
and
on,
put
them a go
some-
wrap up this amount of oil pan them
Mhm.
body and
Put 10 extra thing pan it, 10 dopey pan it, so it's strong up, you see me? It have 10 pan it now, but me I go put an next 20 pan it.
to this day, I've never seen a long living gathering wearing Batman. No, show me them. Show me them. I think maybe the gathering should have been a secret. Because it's like the moment they let everybody know that this is guarding me, them dead.
It's not a vest.
It's
It's
a
not a
gathering
vest.
is it's not a bulletproof. It don't stop anything. It's your faith.
You know that feels, that's like, you play video games, you play like RPGs where you put on a ring and you get plus 10 shield.
Superpower.
You get plus 10 shield, plus 5 luck. You see me?
It's like them double up.
Like them things say, all right, boom. Yeah, man, this give me extra armor. That one, give me extra protection. This one give me extra defense
Do
against.
you know how stupid that sounds? Let's think logically right now.
Mhm.
I am wanted.
Yes.
I am wanted. Police are coming to get me.
And not just police, you know.
And
other
Batman.
bad man.
And Batman.
Yeah.
But hear this now.
Mhm.
The police
Mhm.
spot me.
Mhm.
And I run.
Yeah.
I know I'm in a house. And they're coming. And I believe now that because I put this ring on my finger,
Mhm.
I am now safe in this house that they're coming to get me. Like,
Dog thinks he's Frodo.
so now all the bullets is going to just not touch me. Because this small ring, this insignificant ring is on my finger.
Yep.
Madness.
That's what a lot of the rings was about.
What?
They were gonna say the goose with that, you know. They were gonna say,
I guard.
What's say, yo, you can't talk to, yo.
Man, boy, then guard up.
Yeah, man. Don't put them say, yo, with there, you know. Don't-
Never dead cousin right now, you know. It was Batman, you know.
Yeah?
In guard up. In
Fully guard
guard. Yeah, man, right now.
There's a powder aisle, everything.
Kill him dead. Well, Yeah. Yeah. I don't think I have to say anything else. No. Yo, but literally.
Yeah.
Yeah, kill him dead.
Jaja.
That nigga dead. Mm?
Wow.
Brother. But he was infamous though.
Yeah.
Full blown, yeah man, bad man, yeah, hey, take your things, shoot out, bow, we're touring party man, you know, don't talk, tell people, say I'm not afraid of God, this, that, blah, blah, blah. You know what me hate though?
No.
When them bad man where we're gathering dead, no put no white wing pan them body.
In a blue sky, I thought.
Put them in a blue sky. You know, the little, what you call them thing when they read a funeral?
Jaja.
Whatever that funeral
The
thing
little
is,
pamphlet, the little.
don't put them pan a blue, no blue background it, and put them pan a wing. I go up in the sky.
Nah, heaven. In love, in memory.
In love is no.
That brother, you murdered 19 people.
Use the ring as the background and put them in the ring.
Yeah, facts. Facts.
Put them.
You know, so crazy. Why is the gathering wearer never a good person? What? You ever think? You ever realize? No, pastor not wear gathering, right? pastor not gonna wear that.
Pastor not gonna wear a gathering.
No good person
is taking up themselves and say, yo, you know, this gather.
Me need extra protection. So me go get a wash off and go down a, you see me? Go down a St. Mary.
But you know what's funny, like, superstition, like real same way, like, I don't believe in that. But like me, my green towel is my like superstition, you know? Me have my green towel.
So you have like your superstition.
Yeah,
so you
like
say.
before my band, you know, the green towel way you see me with.
Yeah.
If you're here, you know the green towel. Let me give you the story behind the green towel.
Yeah.
The green towel was given to me at birth.
Oh, so you've had that your entire life?
Like, no, when my born.
Wow.
Like when my born at the hospital.
Yeah.
Me have that towel there.
Wow. That is crazy.
That is how long me have that towel there.
So your literal entire life.
Me have that towel there.
That's crazy.
Me I carry that green towel there like from me a little pitney.
Yeah.
Like put it in my bag, carry it to school. Like if me nervous, me touch it.
So that's like
you realize me travel
everywhere with it.
Everywhere with it.
You're like the older heads will know what I'm talking about. You're like Linus from Charlie Brown.
I don't know what that is.
There's a old comic. It's like one of the, you know, Snoopy, the dog, the cartoon dog.
I would think myself like, you know, Eddie have to dumb it down for me. You know the man with plank?
Yes.
My green towel is like my plank.
Okay.
When me just carry it with me, and me no reason with it all the time though.
But occasionally.
But no, you know, like talk to it a little bit. You know?
Yeah.
Like it fly over so much people's head that it in the music video.
Yeah, because it's on the bike, right?
It depend on my shoulder.
Oh,
I did that wave.
Yes.
Yeah.
You always have that, right?
Yeah, I always have it. Always have it. So maybe that's my gathering.
Yeah, potentially.
Yeah, but I don't like me need it to save my life.
True. You didn't go down to St. Mary and
exactly. Me not go St. Mary and like some of the things when me hear like the superstition them we like bad man have to do.
Yeah.
It don't make no sense. Like what do you mean me have to go like kill a goat? Why me can't just go to meat shop and just buy a goat?
No man, you have to
sacrifice.
You see me? You have to do it and you make that sacrifice there. I couldn't tell you, no, bro. This our sacrifice a chicken. Cut a chicken.
But we eat chicken every day. Why me can't just carry a leg and tie and just
because it's the ritual. You see me? It's the ritual.
Somebody out there upset that I'm doing this right now.
Absolutely. Because them believe in it.
I don't care.
I mean, me hear all the stories about people where, no man, from them write him name, man. Them put him name in a shoes and on the parchment paper, you know, from a see him come
Now
out of
hold
the
him
house.
down, see there?
Hold him down, you know, see him can't go. And then I see him walk out the other day, you know, him face twist up, so, you know. It's like, what? Yeah, man, them face lean round the car. I say, yeah, man, them Obia, man.
Me did that. Me used to always mess with one man, trouble him every day. And the man write my name on one piece of paper, put it in one buckle, and tie stone to it and throw it in sea.
In a sea.
Same I hold me down. Never worked.
Never worked.
Never worked. Me always make fun of like them people who believe in like the magic and them thing there. Like, see him, grand uncle me have where squeeze
the lime.
Yeah. So me used to mess with him all the time. Me used to do him a driveway we used to stay.
Yeah.
It was concrete. So me used to get stone. I used to draw the Star of David
on the
ground
concrete.
And cover it with like flour. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cover it with flour. And the way of my yard did stay is like all the way. So it's a big yard, extended family. So it's like my grandmother would have fair set of family, him a theme set of family.
Yeah.
And my other grandmother. So it's like my grandmother have like one of my brother and sister.
Yeah.
So exactly,
a lot of family.
big
there.
yard.
Yeah.
And when we do that, the man get theme set of family. And the man like get salt and him spin around with them and him say, come, hold on, come. And him carry the whole of them in a one place and him sprinkle them. And I say, yo.
Protection.
Brother. Yo. Yeah, no. Yo, me used to like just run like nighttime.
I can't imagine how terrified they were of you.
Bro, night is like, him used to do body work.
Yeah.
More while the man where I work for him carrying a dog. And me would like go from my neighbor house, climb my neighbor tree, and my neighbor tree did have a branch where like hang over my yard.
Yeah.
And me would go across the branch and jump on my rooftop. So now him can't see me at all. And the whole time him dead there, me a throw all Akia for him and all them things. Yo, Obia!
You were terrified.
Yo, that man did hate me. Yo.
What is wrong with you, brother?
Yo, that man did hate me because me know how him stay.
Yeah.
Brother, me used to stone the man with ice.
Just
nighttime.
Yeah.
Once a late night, me just do all a drive-by to film part of the house.
And just...
No ice, cause when him come out,
nothing no there.
No there. So yo.
So he's out there like, yo, man, sprinkle more salt in a pour him on salt, you know.
Yo, the man used to have a specific saying. Man, that depend. So when you live in a big yard, you know, man, is like everybody have a claim to the house. And him is one of the children, so him have a claim to the house. So every argument him would have depend. You see it. I'm a mother or father place this. Every time. And then he would look at me and he would say, you, look at boy, you's a demon. Yeah, man say you's the devil. You's the devil.
Meanwhile, you're there draw a star and Dave.
Brother, meanwhile, me there at the back of the house, me a dig. Boy, I used to do that man something. Dog, boy, I used to see this man work all day to fix the people in car because him is a body man.
Yeah.
And me at like 12, 13, we just take up like the alternator out of the car where my work pan and just dash it where or something.
just tormenting this brother.
Bro. Brother. No, me I look back.
You don't feel bad.
No,
looking
me
back?
I look as an adult. Come and love me now.
Yeah.
Pick up yourself. You know? But I was terrible. Brother, the man was convinced that there was dopey in the house.
Jaja.
Dog, I used to the man would have work pan him carry them, you know. Like, you would have give the man a car and the car is supposed to fix it in 1 week.
Yeah.
Bro, he would have the car for like 2 months. Because, you see, if him finish it, me I punch at the tire. Like, me not punch at the tire, me I let out the ear them.
It's like, yo, what is happening here? Why is this? why this keep on?
And the thing is, I am the only boy in the yard. Everybody is woman. So him know it's me.
It could only be you.
And the man hate, the man did hate me, my youth. Yo, I was so evil to this man. Yo,
terrible.
Me I look up on it now. Irvin, I'm sorry. Irvin, I'm sorry, okay?
This brother, the poor superstitions, you're just not helping.
Brother, when me know enough was enough, you see when me stone the man house with ice. When me stone the man yard with ice, my youth, and me see like the man start like pray at night time. I just start make sure I say.
Bro, I was thinking like, yo, what me do for deserve this, Ja?
Brother,
like, why am I?
You know, no me I look up on it. When you look upon a child, come me a pitney in a dog. Yo, yo, pitney evil in my youth.
Terrible.
Can I look upon it now?
And you had no
remorse.
No remorse in the situation whatsoever.
No remorse.
This was just like pure entertainment for you.
Brother, I watched this man prep a mango. Like, so there was a mango tree. So the back of my house is an ackee tree and a mango tree.
Yeah.
And I watched this man hide a mango. Put like the man a hide, yo, you know when you're like, it's like the man a cover it up with bush and like,
man say, yo, me a forward back for the mango, yo, me know about the trouble the mango, yo, me go,
brother.
But even want to keep it in the house.
How him would have hide mango. So it was a Julie mango tree.
Yeah.
I don't know if you know how Julie mango work, but Julie mango, you see, in the tree, it's like it a hang down.
Yeah.
You can get a stick
and
like either you pick it or you push it up. So it's like you might try to push it up in like the branch them or something. Yeah. So like
like for
so it's not visible.
Okay.
Yeah, because
you might try to hide it while it's still up on the tree.
You might try hide like it's like him hope say him just want it ripe.
Yeah, just
him just want it ripe.
I wait for that one day.
And brother, me know, cause me see him do it. me look through my grandmother window and see him hide it, brother.
Jaja.
And brother, I just remember the day I picked the mango. I picked the mango. The mango never ever ripe. Brother, the mango green. And me I eat it with salt. You know, turn mango.
Yeah.
But you know, so if it not turn enough, your lip burn up.
Yeah, man, fully. Beer acid.
I pick a full-blown green mango. I say me I eat it with salt. And I just remember the man I come round. And so a man will do body work. There's a thing with him, primer. So him have a little board with him having primer in a man.
Oh, for yeah.
And I just remember him can't find in the mango and I come back around for complain and see me sit down on the veranda. I cut the green mango with a knife. The man said, "This little boy is a demon."
Why? Me all hurt for him now.
yo.
But set him mind on the mango there, like, yo, just.
Bro, I made it my point of duty to make this man have I had to have
the worst experience for this.
The worst. For at least 10 years, I know I was the worst human to this man.
He must convince him superstition them right.
Brother.
You know what I mean? Like,
brother.
If you want to do them things.
Brother, I've done, brother. You see, when me did that me dig a hole at the back of the yard.
Yeah.
Where like effectively so deep that, and when whole heap of rainfall, the back of the house, the back of the yard like start collapse. Like the wall at the back of the rock start, like the dirt.
Like everything
the soil not good enough. And the man I'd dig it straight under the car them where my work pan and them thing there. I remember the first time like me just step on the car glass and just broke it. Just broke the car glass. Like me, I look for it now. Why?
Why were you doing this?
Because these were old cars. To me, these were...
Yeah, but people are people.
No, but look, as a big man now, I now look upon the car them as if them are going to
Somebody
fix
are
up
gonna
and
use
drive
this.
again.
Then bring them to him so him can fix them
No,
for drive
but to
them.
me, I think them done.
So to you is like, yo, look at all these old cars.
Brother,
and you just-
imagine a little boy and the back of my house is just cars.
So to you, it's like this is like a junkyard. You can
That
just
is
jump.
exactly what me did I do. Because like you would have see like lizards in the car, and, like smell burn rubber.
Yeah.
Brother, me used to like sit down in the car, them act like me I drive them, pick
Wow.
out every button.
These people getting them car back worse.
Do not carry your car. I am messing it up.
Jaja.
Brother. Because to me, them not good. So me I do everything. Brother, me I stamp on the glass, like broke the glass completely, broke it. tear off the door angle.
So how
make sure so the window can't wind up and down.
Me I try to figure out how him explain.
He doesn't.
Brother, like how you explain this to your client?
Brother, people used to rush the man for beat him up. People used to come on my yard like full blown angry, like, yo, brother, I'm come for my car. No. I might try buy more time, like, yo, he might try fix it or.
Jaja, meanwhile, the mirror broke him, I forgot to replace
brother,
the mirror.
I broke the mirror.
And just the bumper it's supposed to put back on, brother. Walk on with the car. Yo, just give me like a 2 more weeks.
Yo, them say confession is good for the soul. Yo, brother, I've seen this man literally running from a man. me see a man because me take out, so the mirror them were closed, right?
Yeah.
You know that you can take out the actual mirror.
Yes, out of it.
Yeah. So me take out the actual mirror and the man realize, but it come out so neat that the man I say, yo, Irving, I thief my mirror and I want back my mirror. And Irving I say, yo, where you talk about? Everything did for it when me give up. Nothing me not do. Kill him dead.
Meanwhile, you've
Meanwhile,
gone
you
with the mirror.
full blown go around there with a screwdriver and take, because it's like a tape,
Yeah.
I'm gonna take my nice little time because I did want that mirror there. Yeah, because I did want that mirror there.
Why did you want the mirror?
I needed that. That was my mirror. I saw it when I see one, and I want one.
It was the easy way.
That is exactly how we used to look on the car them in the back of my yard.
We can do this the easy way or the hard way.
We can do this the easy way or the hard way. And it's always yes.
It's always yes.
Brother.
That's crazy.
Me and this man used to have so much fights over fruits. Bear in mind, this is not a young man.
So this is an old man.
This is not a young man. Him still alive today. Big up Irvin. Anyway there. But
so Irving what? Like in Irving, 40s them time?
Right now, Irving is about 90. Or Irving is about 83.
So
this Irving was literally in like
you were
almost
tormenting
70
this
or
60-year-old guy.
He was not young.
You're tormenting this, bro. You're literally Dennis the Menace.
Brother, the man did hate me. You know how much you have to hate somebody to not want me to associate with none of my cousins?
Even why you?
He used to be like, yo, Mookie, come. Don't go around him.
Like,
him have to be the devil.
Yeah, no, I don't even want him influence you in any way at all.
Have to be the devil. And when the problem is, somebody end up with 2 younger cousins where boy, me feel like me left a bad example before me move with them.
Damn.
Because I just feel like them come do the same things when me used to do.
I mean, what would you have Do you think, looking back now, would you have been different?
No. Why? Bro, why? Why? That's why it's fun. That's why, brother, that's why I had a fun time growing up, you know.
I'd imagine.
It was
just
very,
tormenting this
bro,
brother every day.
It was very fun because them believe in a them superstition. Brother, you know what them used to say? Them used to say, "Dope here run up and down at night time." You know why them believe that?
Because you was running
Bro,
up and down in the place.
no. I used to just go outside and just throw stones in the sky. Like for no, just throw stones like just. But bro.
So you were just confirming every superstition that they could possibly have.
You know why? So I used to put the stones in black plastic bag. So I could hear this and just throw the stone them in the sky. Boom!
Oh, so it sound even crazier.
So in the sky, I hear
Bang, and it hit the...
And them time there, nobody now no concrete roof.
So
Straight zinc.
So
Yeah,
nice.
bum, 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 bum.
You're terrible, bro.
Brother. Brother, you know what it's like for me?
Terrible.
For me, like a 10, 11-year-old child just walking around your community and just like, I see a random house. The house not doing nothing.
Mm-hmm.
And just throw like bare big stone on the rooftop of the house. Like me used to ride around with a bag of gravel.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm glad me a big man now. You know?
Wow.
I'm glad me a big man.
This feels like a therapy
Yeah.
session.
We used to ride around with a bag of gravel, my youth. A bag of gravel.
Yeah.
And just like full me hand of gravel and just throw it as over somebody's yard. Like,
why?
you just hear pop, 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 on them roof and just run. Nobody would know me.
They just cut.
Bro, I was a menace.
Why were you like this, bro? Why, like, you were just...
I just feel like
you just...
dog, I just feel like it is just fun. Like it is just, yo, remember one time a man actually catch me.
Yeah.
And the man catch me in like the smoothest way. Like would I never even realize it. So it's like we walk past and me stone him yard.
Yeah. So a handful of stone over the yard again.
Gravel
straight.
But I never realized that a man did sit down back at the wall and smoke. But in my mind, I said, "Cho, I just run." But when I run now, I did me and my friend I do it at the time.
Yeah.
My friend is not here with us now. Waste man that do, I'm not paying no mind.
Yeah.
So stone in the house.
Mm-hmm.
And we run, going back down. Now we live couple blocks from
where you just stone.
From where we just stone.
Yeah.
So we're tired. So bear in mind, I live about 1,500 meters from where me stone. So I'm far.
Yeah.
I was
good looking run.
Tired. Reach. Sit down where I talk for about half an hour. See a man a rider come down on a bicycle. And the man ride at the bicycle. I was sitting at the gully bank and the man stop at the gully bank. The man said, "Yo, youth, man. You don't see two little youth pass right there, so?" They would say, "No." So the man just goes, "I like him a ride off," and then him ride go up the road and him ride come back and him stop and him say, "But wait, you're not one of them."
I never want to judge you too early. The man say, "I can't them." I'm gonna go up the road and see.
There's no way are you that. There's no way.
This couldn't be you just standing right here. Me go, car. Whoever me catch, me I go mash them up.
Me I go mash up.
So I can't be you.
You can't so brave.
To be here chilling.
To be here, like, me still did sit down. Because in my mind, me get wet completely.
So you didn't even have to,
Brother.
you didn't even have to go inside or nothing.
Brother, when the
Just-
man circle back, I say, yo, so wait. You know what I did?
it's extra crazy that him circle back and you were still out there.
No, because in my mind, remember, him don't come from the part where me come from.
So him not really know you. Him not know say are you.
In my mind.
Okay.
But also, you would be insane
Mhm.
to try beat up a child
True.
in my community and not be from there.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
in my mind,
Yeah.
me I say, yeah.
Yeah. You're cool.
Yeah. But him, you know, when you say, yo, today people have time, today him did have
They
time.
did have time.
Him did have time. yo, brother. Man, walk over to me, the man say, yo, look at you. Let me tell you something, juvenile. Man say, juvenile, may I show you something?
There.
Yes, so the man just gets and grab me, my youth.
Girth.
Brother, the man carry the conch from up. Yo, the man carry the conch from him.
Jaja.
Yo, the man cut me at the dead center of my forehead. The man say, yo, you feel understand yourself, you know, juvenile dog. Brother, yeah. Normally when you get a lick,
Yeah.
you know, as boy, you don't really make sound.
Yeah.
Brother, when the man cut me, me
Yeah.
shout out, why? Murder!
Come get out of here, wicked.
Brother, that conch they hotter than a box.
Jaja.
That better him did box me.
Yo, conks was crazy still. You know.
Brother,
Like a conk is a
brother.
devious thing. You know,
Brother,
dog.
at this point,
Yeah.
me prefer a man top me or box me. You see, if you conk me, you emasculate me, virgin. That means that you don't have no respect for
I
me
feel
at
like
all.
I feel like if you conk me, what I forgot like directly to badness.
Like,
now.
as, like big, like
no,
don't conk me though.
Don't dare when my forward back,
Don't
bro.
conk
Because if you conk me, I disrespect you. I
yeah,
disrespect
you fully, you disrespect me completely. You see, if a man you just run up and just start kick me up.
Yeah.
But when you grab me and conk me like that, my youth, I remember I was in 7th grade.
Yeah.
Brother, when the man conked me, dog, all I could have shot was murder. Like, all I could have shot was murder. Me just
Jaja.
literally started scream murder.
Damn.
I mean, you know why that's so evil?
Why?
Because me screaming murder is like basically telling any man in the era we're bad.
This say yo something. Yeah.
Somebody I do me something.
Oh Lord, the pressure outside
Brother,
now, man.
me literally say murder just to put him life in danger.
Just
Brother, you see when the man them see what I go on and run come, the man have a jump, yo. The man never even ride off the bicycle, man. Take a bicycle and run with it.
you out here starting community
Because
beefs, bro.
brother, the man have to run, go back up, go up a theme part.
Jaja.
Because, but me didn't know that, you know. Me didn't know, say, yo, me did feel like I'm invincible, which part me there.
Yeah.
Because in my mind, there's
like,
no way he's going to come down here and do that.
Like, what you are gonna do? What I'm really are gonna do?
Exactly.
I'm conking.
Brother, that
I'm
conk
gonna
there,
pull off a one conk.
me probably feel that conk there for about 2 months.
Did you get a
Brother, let me say,
cocoa?
you ever can't make water touch one part of you? That is how bad that conk was.
Was it one of them where it's like you didn't even want nobody surprise you if you
It was blue. The conk here, but it look like you know the Indian name put like a spot.
yeah.
Me have a blue spot.
Full unicorn.
Blue spot in the center, of me,
Jaja.
brother.
Rough.
Can't go on.
Fully rough.
But
That's crazy.
But that everybody in the neighborhood is like older people are super young people.
Yeah.
And the old people them did very
Superstitious. I mean,
everybody used to talk about Obia and Obia are Christian or Poco, you know, you have the Poco
the
church,
Poco people,
lady with pencil.
I used to feel like, was it ever real at one point? Like, what would make you believe in that?
Like, all right, me have a family member
Mm.
where them say somebody did Obia them. Like full-blown
Like
Obia
full
them.
on.
Yeah, and my father tell me about him this see the rabbit and him run down the rabbit and him catch the rabbit and me not believe that shit. Sorry, Dad. No,
And it's like
I don't.
where them thing you come from? Where
But
it's
the man
like,
did actually mad though.
him did mad.
Yeah, mad. Them say Obia them. But me just feel like if you're mad, you're just mad, brother. You're just mad. Like why we have to say Obia? Like for instance, what me not like? Why things can just not be going good for you? Why somebody have to be making it not go good for you?
I mean,
It's always somebody. Boy, I'm salty. I'm like, if you go wash a beach, cause it look like somebody a hold me down.
to be fair, I think that was kind of like, that was the purpose of like all in the Bible, the book of Job and them something there. It's like things can just
Job
reach you.
has to be the saltiest man in the world.
Bro, I feel so bad for Job. I feel so terrible for Job.
Job lose
Job had
everything.
it the worst. Everything. And Job got so angry that Job say, yo, dog, respectfully, you know, Jah, you have to go talk to me, you know. and Jah appears to Job, bro, and then proceeds to gaslight him, saying, bro, I am not messing with you.
Say, yo,
Right? It's like,
it is the art.
yeah, it's like, bro, I am running the universe and the stars.
You think
and
I have time for
I
people?
don't have time for mess with you, bro. I'm not trouble you, Job. Listen, me is God, you know. Look on the universe. You see that? That me a control. I
I don't have time for you.
I don't have time for you, bro. Go chill out.
Yes,
And then him just give him back everything.
peace.
And then people are like, yeah, you know, but Job get back him thing 70 times 7. But it's like, him lose him family, you know.
For everybody.
lose him family, him village, everything. But all them superstitions are coming from biblical time. Cause why is the Star of David associated with that? David in the Bible.
Mm-hmm.
The same David.
Star of David are the upside, the two triangle, them, right? It's two triangle, right? That's
Two triangle.
A triangle and a yeah, it's two triangle.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but
Two
that
triangle, some flower.
and that's the good stuff.
Two triangle, some flower. And because of that, me see him the man put salt
Mhm.
at the four corner of the house.
So at what point in history salt could have
We can't just eat salt. We can't just put salt in our food. And that we do with salt, you know.
No, man, it will protect you. It's supposed to protect you from everything. You see me I say?
Why that Obia thing disappear as soon as we come a foreign? Obia, no, they are foreign, people. Hey, Jamaicans.
Obia is nothing for it.
You know, Jamaicans living abroad. Jamaicans living in Jamaica. No, Obia, no, they are foreign, you know.
Once
Me not even afraid of the dark are foreign.
yeah, ghosts not exist again.
Me used to afraid of dark at Jamaica.
Mhm.
Brother, me used to like cover my head with the sheet and like say a specific prayer and I say like, yo, God, I go cover me with like him angel thing.
Yeah.
Because me used to believe like, brother, if my foot ever come from under that sheet, you know, that
Yeah, man. That
not
little
safe again, you know.
silver-
The foot
brother,
not safe again, you know. Me have to push back that foot there in and tuck it
you
in the
ever,
sheet.
you ever have to turn
Because
off
the
the
sheet
light
alone me play
and
for.
you ever have to turn off the light and outrun the light turning off to get to the next room?
To your room.
Yeah, man. You have to okay, if you ever stop, you know.
It's so funny that to me, bro, going to the bathroom
Mm-hmm.
from my room is like from me, me that say walking to like the wall.
Yeah.
Not even that probably look too far.
Yeah.
The house don't big.
It's right there.
Literally from me to you, the
Yeah.
door.
Yeah.
That used to be the scariest journey I've ever. That's the scariest
Terrifying.
journey ever.
Might hold it. You might just hold it. If it, you know, is it that serious? Do I have to use the bathroom?
Brother,
Ah,
no,
yo.
but you know what me used to do?
Go.
So I used to sleep with me like I never really have my own room.
Mhm.
And so like if like all the way I share bed, me and all of my little cousin them.
Mhm.
Like if more I use the bathroom, would I just like just pee pee? and then just roll them in the pee and switch space with them. Yeah. Yeah, me used to do that all heap. Yeah. Yeah, almost most of my cousins them where there was a myth that you guys used to piss the bed. It wasn't really you guys all the time. Sometimes they used to do it, But a lot of times I couldn't bother go to the bathroom. So me would have just pee and then me would have just get up and roll you in the pee and then sleep on your side. Me do that couple times, at least 10. Because I realized it was simpler than going to the bathroom. It was much simpler than going to the bathroom. I don't think I understand how much of a terrorist I was.
Every day I learn more, I learn more.
Brother, when you see me print the shirt,
This problem child
when
thing.
I print the shirt, I name it Bad Pitney or Problem Child.
Yep.
It wasn't like, I was dead serious.
Wow. This should be a TV show.
Brother, me can't. Brother, some things me used to do that.
Terrible. Terrible.
Brother, me used to like, my grandmother used to make me wash plate.
Yeah.
And we used to have days when we would wash the plate.
Mm.
Now it's between me and my other 4 cousins. So, say for instance, if me wash plate Monday,
Yeah.
it's not my day again until Thursday or Friday.
Okay.
And when,
Everybody have like a day assigned.
yeah,
Mm.
you see when it used to be other people day, you see my day,
Mhm.
me dash with every plate. Like, just because I know I wash it, me just hide plate all
Those
over the house.
places.
No, me I hide dirty plate all over the house. Instead of washing the plate them,
They're just
But just
hidden in
but
places.
just I put the dirty plate them in like some different part of the house. Like behind the fridge or like underneath the barrel or outside just because me never want to wash the plate.
Wow.
Yeah, like dash with spoon, dash with fork.
And then next day you just
Next day,
Bring
me
them
know, me
go.
know where me left them. So
When
when
they're
I'm my
like-
cousin, like my cousin used to like try like laugh off of me when I'm
Mhm.
my day,
Mhm.
and would I be like, man, I'll show you something. I'll show you something today. You see when I fear day, me use every single plate. Me use every plate.
Jaja.
Me use every plate.
Yeah, man.
Me I eat my dinner
Mhm.
with all the soup
3, 4
spoon.
places.
I eat rice and peas and chicken with all the soup spoon.
You're a terror, brother.
Everything. Everything.
I hope you're a youth though. though as bad.
As I hope so too.
God, boy.
I hope so too. I hope so too. Dog, me I look back on it right now. When you make your parents cry in a dog,
You're terrible.
when me know me not gonna try beat you.
Yeah.
Me give up with that.
I can't even.
Me not beat you no more. You just cry.
Like, and that don't even work. That doesn't even.
It used to make me feel that way. Said them I cry.
And you still never.
Oh, not like that. I mean, like, said them I cry like in front of me. Me
It's
never
like,
feel
why
like,
you-
it never make me cry. You know what I'm saying?
It didn't make you feel like, all right, I should stop doing this.
No. It make me want like double down.
This is like, why are you crying in front of me?
Yeah.
Wow.
What would I make it worse? I went in would I be like, are you just a look by me? Are you just a look by you just wicked, so you just a look by me, little boy? What more you want me do? What more you want? What you want me do? Jesus Christ. Mighty Jesus, what more you want me do?
Not even Jesus could have saved you.
Brother,
Terrible.
one day my grandmother said, Dale, you love me, Dale? You love me, Dale? Why you do this to me? Why you do this to me?
You had to have an agenda at that point. Like, why are you behaving like this?
Why are you doing this to me? Oh, Lord.
Terrible.
Oh,
Terrible.
Lord.
Lord.
Yeah,
Man.
but The reason why I do it though was because they say.
Yeah,
you
them
know,
believe that them sitting and
exactly,
they
and when
just
I got
decide to
church,
torment them.
brother, I got church, you know.
Mm-mm.
And the pastor say, a demon in me, you know. And he not left. He not left till him get rid of the demon in a man.
Jaja.
And the man a pray, no dog.
Lay hands.
Brother, the man a pray. Brother, the man a pray. Brother, when I tell me start people, the man just take him and just lock the eye. Like, man, I say, boy. Man say, so the thumb. Lock this man and stop your foolishness.
Terrible, dog.
Brother, man tell me say a demon. A demon me have. And the man did actually like tell me the name of the demon. Like he must say, this is your demon. And we are get out. And we are get out the demon because there's a demon inside you.
Mm-hmm. And it needs for
come out.
Jaja. What them do? Them splash holy water upon you?
Brother, the man use one oil.
Or rub the oil upon your forehead and
brother,
baptize you and sanctify you and everything.
Brother.
Jaja.
Brother, boy, me said, boy. Brother, I remember me eat off all of the church communion.
Why?
You know communion? Bro.
The
eat off
little
all
biscuit them, bro.
Brother, you put between your tongue?
Yeah.
Me eat off all of them.
Why?
All of them. Because I did cranberry juice and some little something like bread. I food that brethren. That food them take people for. Eat off all of them.
But it's for the ritual.
What's funny though is that everybody was looking at me like, yo, this is a child. This is just a rude child. I knew exactly what I was doing.
For sure.
Because I remember.
For sure.
Brother, I just remember sitting beside it. And everybody did that give them out. Like, it's like them supposed to, me know,
like you're supposed to pass and
they're the other side of the church.
Yeah.
And I'm a seat cover up. And I said, sure.
I just
No, because I realized because all them small. So I like join them up. Like bread.
So you just like crush them up?
Because crush all of them in that one. Crush all of the communion them in that one. Yeah. And then
terrible.
No, because
so terrible, bro.
But I also remember sitting down because it was some little small plastic cup.
Yeah.
Like them put cranberry water in our little something.
Yeah,
like
the
this.
blood for the blood is
as a significance of the blood. So the blood of Jesus. And when me see a cranberry, say that me say, hold on, the cranberry and the blood of Jesus, may I show you something. So I watch.
Isn't it weird that we even do that?
Signify that. It's like, a significance.
Yeah, but
communion?
But it no weird say people as do a ritual where them symbolize blood drinking.
Yeah. Why didn't they just let it be wine?
Just let it be wine?
Yeah, because the Bible said wine. Why everybody in the church that drink cranberry juice?
Because them no kids drink.
So the adult them for those drink it too?
I mean,
brother, all they did was make it easier for me drink. Because me take about 30 shots.
Drink all that cranberry juice.
Shots. Brother, I run me take that as man.
Damn.
I walk go back in the church, go sit down.
Your vibes out.
Brother, when the brother.
Them look and say a beer crumbs.
Brother, when the pastor realized I mean them off all of the brother. The pastor, brother.
Damn.
When me know say a pastor there, the man like want ask for me stop come at church.
Yeah, I was like, yo, I've never banned your car.
Like the man I say, yo, Miss Audrey, don't carry him back.
Keep him at the yard, please. Yeah. I don't know what kind of spirit is in.
You know, my grandmother used to, you know, when we used to go with my grandmother, she used to have me on a leash.
Why? Like on a...
Yeah, like a leash. She used to tie a leash around my hand when me can't take a wallet in her hand.
Wow.
To prevent me from like run
because you're fully getting into trouble.
Me I do something. Brother. At all times. If she took me to the supermarket, I'm stealing. I'm stealing.
What is wrong with you?
I'm stealing. I gotta steal.
Like you just couldn't help it.
Because I realized that I was a child. And me knowing that I am a child, me realize, wait, you tell me I can't go jail. I can't get a criminal record.
Oh.
All I'm gonna do is blame my parents. And all I'm gonna do is beat me. That not bad.
That's a fair.
Like that not bad. So like the mall,
Yeah, man.
brother, I used to just go up on the mall, go just thief.
All day, every day.
Don't
Just-
go in a supermarket with me. I'm taking something.
That is
Snickers, Milky Way.
parents' fault.
Let me have that.
Damn.
I'm
Got him.
stealing that.
Damn.
I'm
Got him.
I pull the 7 up and me I drink it.
Oh, you's one of them people that
Yeah.
you are you one of the put back the soda where you drink?
Put it right back there. I don't like this. Put it back. I may do them. I may do them
Terrible.
thing from me. I like 6.
Terrible.
Like me know me did I do it.
So you're probably the prototype of person who I would be walking around Whole Foods now, and there's just like,
All right. Let me show
A
you how bad it
pack of-
was. There used to be a photo
yeah,
of me to tell the people not to let me in the supermarket. Like Jackie. And big up Auntie Jackie. We used to go Auntie Jackie all
Mhm.
the time. And when we go Auntie Jackie, me wreak havoc in the whole supermarket.
Jaja.
I'm stealing everything. I'm making everything fall. Me I mix up everything where it's supposed to go. Cause my grandmother used to send me go shop.
Yeah,
And once me go in a Jackie supermarket,
stealing.
I'm stealing all the Bobby chocolates. I'm trying, brother. One day Jackie
The
shake
Bobby
me down.
chocolates were good.
One day Jackie shake me down. Jackie stopped me and Jackie said, "Dale,
Mhm.
jump." I said, "Why me have to jump?" Jackie said, "Dale, jump." So me jump, I just be a Bobby, I jump out of my pants. I was stealing all the Bobbies.
Damn.
Bear in mind, I'm like 9.
So them
I'm
can't even
stealing.
them can't even too upset with
Yeah,
you.
me I go primary school.
Yeah,
Me I walk, I come home from primary school, and me I stop at Jackie,
yeah.
and I'm stealing all the sweetie.
Everything.
Every sweetie.
Jackie just have a bar here. Just, no.
Brother,
Go on.
the photo was so innocent. Because I never knew her. She said, "Stand right here." She take a picture with a pebble. You know a pebble? The Motorola pebble?
Yes.
She stand right here and take a picture.
Oh,
Me
wow.
literally, I eat a Bobby. I stand up with a big bag from my back. I eat the Bobby. Me never know, say like, never take the picture for like
Like
tell
that
our
is-
employees like, yo, don't let in,
Like this is about to be a wanted
don't
poster.
let in this child. Don't let in this child here. This red pitney right there, so.
Yeah, pose and like, hey.
Yeah. But it's funny enough, it's not like she never hate me, no.
Yeah.
Because she know my family and like everybody know me. The whole
Yeah.
community know me.
Them just
She
know.
just have met the employees them know.
Say, watch him, guy.
When
With
him
teeth,
enter,
everything.
watch him.
Yeah, cause him go teeth, everything.
Yeah,
him
yeah.
can't help it.
him don't have a choice.
Jaja.
Him a go take it.
Jaja. You know, I always wonder too. Why Jamaicans talk so? Like, what is boom bang? I say it all the time, but we're like,
Boom bang is a setup for a lie.
no man. You know what the setup for the lie is? So I go some bumps now. I go some bam.
Yeah. You see, if me and somebody a reason
Yeah.
and it start with some go some bam,
I go some bam now and
you're lying. So it's basically I say, so I am going to lie to you right now.
so don't believe nothing I'm about to say, but yeah, dog.
Mm.
I go some bam. You see
So
me?
once you go some bam, you're lying.
Were you remember when people were saying for everything?
Are mad. Remember mad?
Yeah, I remember
Mad
mad.
is a crackhead. Me get that from, you know.
Yeah.
The crackhead. Me get that from Tina Milk. Mad.
Mad. I mean, Predator used to say mad all the time. That was like for him.
Yeah, but mad. There's a science to saying mad, you know.
Yeah.
Like mad, that different
Yeah.
from mad.
Yeah, true.
It's
Very
two
true.
different.
I feel like the Jamaican mad has to have 2 A's at least.
Two what?
2 A's in the spelling.
Yeah, mad.
It have to be mad.
Maybe without like H too.
Could be with a H. I feel like the H is extra extra emphasis in a way. It could have an H though,
Yeah, we could have put a H. Pa mad.
you know.
But back in them days, I still, I'm telling you, I'm saying mad, Bamson.
Bamson.
What's up, Bamson?
Bamson. I feel like Bamson like evolved over time. Cause it was Magosa Bam for a long time.
Mm-hmm. So,
And then somebody
some
flinged this.
So what's up, Bamson?
Somebody put a little style on it and that just worked.
Do you feel like nowadays slang's better than
Give me some nowadays slang. What kind of slang I got nowadays? Like
white chap? White chap?
White chap.
White pre?
White pre is older than white chap, I think.
White pre is like what's up?
Yeah.
White chap or what's up too?
Yeah, it's also what's up. I feel like white pre is older.
How did we manage to integrate lottery scamming into regular
like
lingo conversations?
Boy, that's just Jamaica, you know? We just have that.
Like we turn it in like a full blown.
Like that's just a thing where people say regularly. Like it don't.
Like we get the prime minister
to
name himself Bro God.
That's crazy. That's legit crazy.
That's how important votes are.
Yep. Remember when they had to have dub plates? Remember they were getting dub plates?
Dubs.
Which artists are support?
Dubs.
That crazy.
And politics, growing up in Jamaica during election time, I think election now more peaceful.
Absolutely.
Way more peaceful, way better.
Absolutely.
You know, I remember like Kiana wearing certain colors when
I remember brother, one time election around and you're not gonna away, you know.
Remember you probably didn't witness like the first election. Remember the one with like Claudia mass up them? You probably did it. You never see you did it, right? You know the one with Claudia mass up and hide back of the car?
I was not at that one.
Yeah, man, Claudia mass. You know, man, Bucky Marshall and Claudia Marshall.
No, I don't know Bucky personally, no.
Yeah, man, you look like you know Alan Skill Cole, man. You know them man there.
I remember, was it the 96 or 98 election?
1906.
Brother.
The 06 election.
You couldn't go up on the road. Like.
So you remember the 96 election?
Yes. I was like, what, 8 years old?
In 96 you was 8?
Yeah.
But 96, you know, see, I said, when many up on the earth, yeah, you was only 8?
I was 8 years old. 80. It's crazy, look. I feel like you look older than me.
I probably do.
I feel like you give me a vibe like a big man where
trapped in a little bit.
No, not even
trapped in a young man body.
Not even trapped in a young man body. It's like a big man will take care of himself. You know what I mean?
You know the old man they were like strung up.
You know, him still blend up him thing them.
You know them man they always dead.
Always.
Like them man they always dead.
I mean, everybody dead still.
No, but the man them were like most health conscious. You know the man, you never had them man in your community.
Always.
Brother,
yeah.
there was always the man in my community where it's like, he might tell you, say, yeah man, drink up that juice, yeah man. Drink up the beetroot with your hood root and
yeah man, get all the, yeah man.
Sassy
put
perilla.
the sarsaparilla and the honey goat with mix
brother,
all of them thing, yeah.
Brother, we did that one,
blend up that every morning.
Sal. Sal was the tonic man.
Always a blend up.
Yeah man, you see if you're ready for mash up something, you have to
and
link.
That's always what the tonic sauce for, you know.
Bro.
You know, my tonic for nothing else but for mash up something.
One of them there, me never try none of them enhance. Me never try like a tonic one day. I see if anything feel different.
Yeah, try it out.
But Sal the tonic man.
Yeah.
If you look for something,
Sal is who you link.
You link Sal for the tonic. And brother, even what day I go, that's why sometimes I like their own older people, you know.
Yeah.
What day I go Florida, and me there on my father.
Yeah.
And in Virginia, you know, say them the like anti-vaccine.
Oh, fully.
So me there on there, I reason with them and in Virgin Marcus say, yeah man, you take the vaccine, young deal? Yeah man, the man said, no, Jesus Christ. Twin, don't worry yourself, twin, we'll bring him back. We'll bring him back. Me there, stand up, you know. Man said, twin, we'll bring him back. We bring him back. No worry yourself. And the man start showing me some juice so I need to drink. To like get out the vaccine.
Out the vaccine out.
Out of me.
Joshua. Yeah, man, flush out. Yeah, man, can you need put some lime and thing in there with some honey and that I go flush
To
it
this
out.
day, I don't know when him Saucy Perla. Saucy Perla sounds so cool. What is Saucy Perla?
It tastes terrible. It's like is sarsaparilla a herb? No. I think it's a root.
Brother,
If I'm not mistaken. I think it's a root
No,
and you're supposed to
sarsi-
boil it.
Saucy Perla.
Holy pardon, man.
I'm telling you, what the one
There's some
name?
busy.
Busy stink.
Busy stink.
Yeah, me used to
And busy
stone.
bitter.
Me used to stone. Miss Duffus used to always have busy on her tree. Me used to pick the busy them and splash them out. So it stink up our yard gate. Remember that. Rest in peace, Miss Duffus.
Why did you just go and terrorize? Why did you have a specific terror for everybody in your neighborhood?
No, because we used to walk around. So me know like, who did
like,
have the
alright.
good mango tree. Miss Duffus did live right up the street.
So I go thief them mango, yeah. I go leave a trailer, stamp
Brother,
out.
me used to make sure say the busy them like splash out. Because Miss Duffus did know everybody business in the whole community.
So this was like
And
your...
anytime when anything happened,
Yeah.
she was the first to report it to my grandmother. So I make it my point of duty at all times. Our yard gate must stink. Our yard must stink.
It have to. And if it
stink.
doesn't, I'm changing that today.
Me a busy it up.
Jaja.
Me make it busy.
Jaja.
But
Them
you know,
thing there?
merengue.
Merengue. Yes.
That's a
Yes.
merengue.
No, I'm merengue. No, I'm not merengue. What name? The close to that. Moringa. A moringa name.
Moringa.
Moringa.
Yeah, moringa is one.
Yeah.
So you have moringa seed. You have merengue.
I have black seed oil and them kind of stuff.
Where the one name where the plant name what the plant and it bitter. Nuni.
with the
Remember
leaf too. No, the one where if you put the leaf on your head, it take away your headache.
Yeah.
You put the leaf on your head, if your head hurt you just rest on the leaf on your head and
Nuni. No. Me I try remember there is one woman now. It's too much bush, We used to
Holy Bushman.
Cersei.
Cersei.
The slimy one? Yeah, but there's
Sorry,
another
bitter
one
one.
where it's like your aloe vera.
Aloe vera. Single Bible.
No, wait. That's where the one name where it's like you can cut it. It's like a plant. And you cut it and it's super slimy and you can like put it by your face and
No.
wash your hair with it and all them things.
Aloe vera that. Tuna aloe vera. Single Bible that.
Thick.
Yeah.
And it look like one
Yeah.
like a flab, like one big flab of leaves.
Yeah,
And when
and
you
it's
cut
like-
it, it's like
It's like
gel in
slimy
it.
gel in the middle. You can
Yeah.
use it for like your skin. Yeah.
Country.
Yeah. Tuna.
Me nah. So you put fish by your face? Which plant? You put the eggplant by your face then? No, but that's a say, cause you say we put that by our face a country. So yo, man, in my country we put eggplant on them face.
And tuna and them something.
And man, we put fish on them face, tuna. So now you put whale part of the face and them just tuna. All right, so only tuna. Input the cactus on him face. Yes. Yes. So yeah. Yeah, the man never use cactus.
Jaja.
Cactus are where you can cut and yeah, man, cactus, man. They use a country.
Rub a cactus by your face.
Dog, them a rub the cactus on them face. Jesus Christ. Yo, my side. Engineer say a cactus him use on them face.
Yeah, man. Them say good for your skin.
Yeah, man, engineer Javon Carter.
Engineer back there. No.
Engineer said, no. Hey, cut the show. Hey.
Jaja.
Damn.
Rough by your engineer.
May I try tonic though?
Yeah.
May I try tonic?
I mean, it's easy. Okay? So you never drink like Baba Roots and them something.
Mm-mm. So may I ask you a question? So You ever drink Ghost tonic?
No.
No, there's a ask. No, there's a
No,
ask.
I actually haven't. No.
So you never try Ghost tonic before?
No.
Me just ask. Me just ask, you know? Engineer, you know you try cactus. You ever drink Ghost tonic? Cause hey, them boy
What
I
kind
use
of
some
tonic?
them boy I use some crazy things, you know.
Brother, some wild things, man. But like you know, I say, for some reason, them man they always for all of the.
And a heart attack kill one of them, you know.
It's always something where medical where you feel like say should have fixed with the things them when they talk about. Cause them talk about yeah man. You blend up this and
Heart
this.
attack kill
Yeah
you.
man. This like how heart
This is
attack
going
kill
to
you?
increase blood flow.
Blood flow.
And
Yeah
a
man.
heart
This,
attack kill it.
how yeah man, cause this is for the blood flow, you know, and this
is for the pressure.
This is for the pressure, and this is for make sure so you enough oxygen are going in your blood, you know, cause you have to oxygenate your blood.
And
you know,
then
that
them
you-
end up dead.
and then dead. It's like, damn, bro. How'd that happen?
Yeah.
How did
Because they're not crash and dead, you know. No.
It's always medical.
They not crash and all them man they were blend up the strong juice and the this and the that. And them are dead.
Cause everything when they blend up says stop cancer, you know. It's always the things where, yeah man, cause all right, you see, you have to put the goji berry them in the thing, you know.
What is
And-
goji berry?
Some Chinese, some Asian berry that's like a superfood where if you put it in the thing.
So it's like a sensu bean.
like a sensu bean. Is
That's the only thing when we that actively try a sensu bean.
I would totally try a sensu bean. Would you try a Krabby Patty?
I don't like how it sound.
The name sound crazy,
Yeah.
right? You can't. I don't feel like you could.
As a Jamaican,
As a Jamaican, you can't publicly
try.
agree. To
Yo, you know, me probably have the most ridiculous like me nah eat story. You know, Canadians know this. You know, poutine. So Canada have a meal named poutine. Poutine
Poutine sounds crazy.
Poutine is basically like gravy, cheese,
And the fries.
and fries. And honestly, everywhere, oh, you should try poutine. Poutine is great. I just don't like the name. So me just try poutine. I just feel like
It sound crazy.
like I've been going to Canada for years now, and I'm just not going to eat poutine. I'm not gonna eat it, eh? I'm not trying poutine, eh? You can't get me to done that, fam. I'm not trying no poutine, bro.
Why don't we ever just call it chili fries or something?
Just call it,
Cheese fries.
Them would have to trick me. Who not have to trick me? Tell me, say, me have some fries, and you put gravy on it, and put some cheese to the side. But if you push it and I say, this name poutine, me don't even know what it sound like, but poutine
It
just
just
sound like
sound-
me not for eat it.
It just sound crazy.
Me not eat no poutine.
I don't know why.
Big up the
it's-
Canada, big up the Canadians, you know. I love Canada. Always
Yeah.
ever go there. Love them. But I ain't trying no poutine, you. Done that, fam.
Done that fast.
That's crazy. Done that. I'm not eating no poutine, man. Not eating no poutine.
What is up with the Toronto accent?
You know what's crazy? I think I have a good Toronto accent, eh?
It's not bad. It's
It's not bad. It's actually real cool, fam.
you know, calm. You know what I mean? Nice,
Mm.
calm accent. It's a bit-
I think for some reason the Toronto accent is as a man, the guys I hear speaking Toronto, they tend to speak from their
in the
nose, eh?
nose.
They tend to like bring it from their nose. So anybody out there from Canada, hey, just big ups, youth. You know, crazy fam. I mean, my accent probably be terrible, but I still try. There's some
You know
things I
what?
can say properly. You know, if I was around a man from Toronto, I would speak straight Toronto fam. Crazy.
Crazy.
Done that.
Done that. Comments, rate nails,
Cra-
Toronto accent. Jojo. Youths.
Dukes.
What is why does Toronto sound so patois?
It's very culturally diverse over there. No?
Yeah.
There are a lot of Jamaicans in. Like, the Jamaican diaspora has way more influence in Toronto than it does in America.
Word.
Yeah.
Mm.
Like, the Jamaican influence in Toronto is huge.
Oh.
Man, I
Never
love
been
over
there.
there.
Yeah? Would you live
The
in...
Jamaica, no.
No.
No, over there too cold.
That's why I wouldn't live in New York.
Like Canada's freezing right now, fam. Outside is bricks.
Bricks. Cha-cha.
Outside is bricks, bro. It's crazy out there, fam. I can't do that stills.
Wild broski.
Stills. Yo, let me
Stills.
tell you this. A man from Toronto, I go kill you with stills.
Stills.
I don't know what more you want from me, stills. I'm not going outside no more, stills.
That's one of my favorite
Toronto things. Say,
Toronto things.
stills.
I don't know, like...
Look on them mouth when they must say it. Stills.
It's like, it adds nothing to the sentence, but it just...
Like, there was a still for nothing at all.
For nothing. For nothing. Just for fling. Just, you
Yeah,
know what I mean?
let me find a perfect example. You go outside, it's cold, you come back in, you take up your jacket. So, man, I went outside and it's freezing stills. I have to take up my jacket and, hey, leave stills. Remember, do the mouth, stills.
Stills. You have to
Stills.
leave stills.
You don't do that with
Okay.
your mouth.
Yeah, no.
Your mouth crazy.
That sounded insane.
That's
that sounded insane.
That's crazy stills.
That's crazy.
That's sounding crazy stills. You know what? Canadians, don't come for me. Hey, that sound crazy.
Whoa. Wait a minute.
That,
Jaja.
big up Canadians. Love Canada.
Big
Love
up Canadian
Canadians.
them.
Yeah.
Man.
I'm working on the accent, eh? I'm catching on, eh?
You got to do a show in Canada in that accent.
I will always no. No. I wouldn't try that still.
Stone you.
It probably would stone me still. No, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do a show in a Toronto accent. In a Toronto, them don't want me talk nothing but patois. You
Yeah.
have to speak patois.
If you could...
Everybody in Toronto understands patois. Everybody.
Oh, word? Like... it's-
Everybody.
Wow.
Not like here where we have to. Everybody.
Like, just talk patois and done.
All the man them. All the gals them. All the man them. All the things.
All the things.
When I go to the telly,
This is the hotel.
I
Is that
don't
the
know.
hotel?
I just feel like me say it. I think it's the hotel.
Okay. Okay.
But everybody.
yeah.
It's crazy. Stills.
Okay. If you could, if you could have any other accent, like born with the accent, there, which accent you feel like you'd have?
Which accent you think me that one born with?
Yeah. Outside of a Jamaican accent, of course.
I probably would have want most accent easy for mimic, you know.
Yeah.
Because a British accent, not bad.
British accent. Depends on which British one still.
Me like the ghetto one them. Like I was in a bad mood. Mood.
Yeah, like
Mood, food.
like the
Yo,
the
them man
Scouser accent them.
Hey. A person from London will be sure to pronounce 2 O's.
Mood.
Mood. Food. Rude.
But for some reason they throw away like T's. Bottle.
R. I'm done with R.
Oh yeah, fully.
Water.
You know who loves R's? It's in the LA accent.
Core.
Brother, I
Core.
never see people love a R in that
Core.
word, so. Go port the core.
Port the core.
Port the core. This buster.
Buster. You
It's like,
buster.
yo.
Use a mark.
A
Yo,
mark. Dog.
Yo, the man
A
them love
man
a R, man.
Yo, the man
Use
in
a
LA
mark.
call you a mark, you know, dog.
To this
Problem,
day, I
you
don't know what a mark is in it, but I don't want to be a mark.
Me don't know either, but if a man in LA call me a mark, me a fight. I just know say me a fight. I don't
Use
know
a
why.
mark.
Use a mark ass.
Use
Like,
a mark ass nigga.
when them lean up them, brothers like
West side 47.
40s off the back.
Off the back.
Dead homies. Like,
Get
okay.
down.
Okay. Well, no
Get out.
problem. You know what I mean? But they be throwing, you know who like ours though? The Australians.
You know what I'm gonna say? Like, you know, like ours too?
Who?
Jack Sparrow.
Pirates.
You know, like ours too? Pirate from SpongeBob. Hurry, you ready, kids?
That was like a chat GPT.
Oh, I can't hear you.
Yeah.
Aye, Captain.
Ooh. Mm-hmm.
We never did sing it still.
Hey.
I wasn't gonna sing that still.
Stills. Judger.
Yo, big up the man them and the gal them from Toronto. Stills.
Big up the Aussies. Or no. The Aussies be throwing in ours too.
Big up the kangaroos.
The kangaroos. Would you fight a kangaroo? I feel like I could fight a kangaroo. I feel maybe not a bear, but I feel like kangaroo.
Feel like you could eat a kangaroo.
I probably could. They eat kangaroos in Australia.
Would you try a kangaroo? Me not like, you see this, like, why
Would I
your
try kangaroo?
size them so?
Cause it's from the soul, man. I gotta think about it. I gotta ask my.
You look like
my
you're
inner
constipated.
self.
You look constipated when you sigh. Like
When I
that.
that's how people be looking at meditations, man. You know, that's how the
No,
yoga
brother.
people be looking.
You look like you have a dry shit. You know the dry one, them boy, like,
Yeah, for
yeah.
pressure it.
So look, take my curse out, bad word.
Add that to the counter.
Yeah, add that to the bad word counter. But yo, kind of people, that was probably reach. We're supposed to finish now. People, as you see, we're just a reason.
Yeah,
We're reasoners. Or kind of just talk about anything.
stills.
Stills.
You know what I mean?
So yeah, man. Forward. Watch the rest of the video that we will have. And tune in every week
Yeah.
for the Deal Elliott podcast. Crooks, you have anything to say?
Take care of yourself and each other. Big up.
All right. Hey, don't put no cactus by your face.
Don't put no cactus by your face and don't drink no arsenic neither.
Don't drink no arsenic. Don't drink no arsenic and don't put no cactus by your face. All right, look at me, people.
I'm out.